How to log in ClickBank. So let's see in this video. Before starting, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, you have to click on the search bar and search for clickbank.com. Soon after entering, you will be taken to the web page of ClickBank. So in order to log in, you have to tap on the login option in the right upper corner right next to the start here option. After that, you'll be able to see the text boxes in the left hand side. In the first text box, you need to enter your either email address or your account nickname. And in the second text box, you need to enter your password associated with your ClickBank account. After entering, you have to go for login option. If you forget your password, then you can go for forget password option, by which you'll be able to reset your password, and by following the same step you can log into your account. And if you want to create an account, then you can go for this create an account option over here, and you have to follow certain procedure and you'll be able to create your account. And after entering this information, you can go for login, by which you will be directly logged into your ClickBank account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.